to this lecture, and in this lecture we will be discussing one of the question from the chapter Chemical Kinetics. The question over here we are having is for a first order reaction A give rise to 2B plus C at constant volume at 300 Kelvin. The total initial pressure is P naught and the total final pressure is Pt. A is the initial concentration at and at time t is equal to 3, A reaches to one third of its initial value. The correct option among the following are. So we are having an equation. What is the equation we are having? A give rise to 2B plus C. Say initial pressure is P naught. Okay. Finally, it's like initially it's 0, 0. Finally, it's P naught minus X. It's 2X. It's X. So P total is equal to P naught plus 2X. Therefore, X is equal to P total minus P naught by 2. If we will derive the expression, Kt is equal to ln A naught by A naught minus P naught by P naught minus X. P naught by P naught minus X. Finally, it becomes Kt is equal to ln P naught by P naught minus P total plus P naught by 2. So 2 will come over here and 2 will come over here. Okay. So finally, this all becomes, this is P naught. Okay. So finally, this becomes, the equation becomes Kt is equal to ln 2P naught divided by minus ln 3P naught minus P total. And this is something which is written on the y-axis in one of the equation. ln 3P naught minus P total is equal to ln 2P naught minus Kt. So this, by comparing with the equation y is equal to mx plus c. So mx plus c over here. Okay. So slope is negative. Okay, slope is negative, where m is equal to negative of k, and the graph is drawn in between ln 3p naught minus pt and t. Okay. So we can, from here we can look over the graph. Okay. So from here option number A is correct. ln p naught minus pt ऐसा कुछ बनेगा ही नहीं. ठीक है. जैसे t half is independent of initial concentration. In the same manner, T1 by 3 will also be independent of initial concentration. This you can check also. T1 by 3 is equal to K ln A naught by A naught by 3. Therefore, T1 by 3 is equal to ln 3 by K. So, time required for completion of one third of the reactant is independent of the initial concentration. It's independent of the initial concentration. That is it. Okay. I hope you got it. So rate constant, rate of the reaction as well as rate constant also will be independent of initial concentration. Okay. T half में भी क्या आएगा? The straight line graph will be there. Okay. It will be independent of initial concentration. And ln P naught minus Pt such a relation we are not having. Okay, so that is it. Therefore, option number A, that is A and D are the correct answers. Okay, and this is the explanation. So we have used only one thing over here, that is integrated rate law equation for the first order kinetics. Okay, that is Kt is equal to ln A naught by At. This is the equation which we have used over here. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day. Thank you. Happy learning.